Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. Already we know the what is meant by the first law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics we will discuss one by one. The Joule in this experiment carried out the performance of work is diverse way, that is the different ways. The work was done by the agitating paddle wheels in a mass of water or mercury. Agitating paddle wheels in a mass of water or mercury. Then the rubbing of iron rings in mercury. Then passing electricity through a wire of known resistance, etc. On the basis of these experiments, the scientists have concluded the first law of thermodynamics. The heat so produced was measured later on many workers, namely Rowlands, calendars and Berners, Levy or Hercules carried out the determination of value of Joule considerable accuracy. These are the name of the scientist. Considerable accuracy. The accepted value of Joule, that is represented by the capital J, is 4.1858 into 10 raised to 7 Earths per calories. This relation between the heat and works is the origin of first law of thermodynamics. This is the origin of first law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics can be enunciated as the if or whenever heat is obtained from work, the amount of heat produced is proportional to the work spent. There are many instances to show that not only heat can create or work, but different form of energy are also interconvertible into one another. That is, heat cannot created or heat cannot converted into the work, but the different form of energy are also in turn converted into one another form. A given quantity of electricity or electrical energy which is comparatively easily measurable and was found to be equivalent to a definite amount of heat or mechanical work. We will study in this unit that such equivalent did not only exist between the heat and work, but between any two form of energy. Hence, if x unit of energy A, capital A, is equal to the y unit of energy B, units of energy A is equal to the my unit of the energy B. The proportionality between the quantities of two given form of energy is universally constant, and the constancy of this proportionality is essence of the first law. The first law of thermodynamics is in the fact An application of broad principle is known as the law of conservation of energy of the thermodynamic systems. The first law of thermodynamics is stated that the energy neither be created nor be destroyed, although it can transport from one form to the another form. Thus, when energy in one form is appears, an equal amount of energy in so many other form must appear. Hence, since the disappearance of the amount of energy causes the appearance of an equivalent amount of energy of an other form, neither more or nor less, we are compelled to accept that energy cannot be completed cannot be completely destroyed, nor it can be created from nothing. Clausius and therefore initiated that varied changes and the transformations might occur, but the total energy of the universe must remain constant. Hence, the first law of thermodynamics is really the law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy, that is the energy neither be created nor be destroyed, though it can convert it from one form to the another form. So this is the first law of thermodynamics.